In today's video, I'm going to teach you about navigating and managing your content using Shopify, making your e-commerce journey smoother. Whether you're a new user or just looking for a refresher, understanding how to efficiently access and use these features is essential for enhancing your store's performance. Let's begin by heading over to your Shopify admin area. Open your browser and log into your Shopify account. Once logged in, you'll arrive on the home page of your store's admin panel. This is your command center, where you can control various aspects of your online store. Next, we're going to focus on the content area. You'll want to locate and click on the content option in the menu on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll manage all the different types of content related to your store, a key step for keeping everything organized and efficient. After that, within the content section, you'll see a series of options available to choose from. Let's first navigate to the Files section. Clicking on Files will take you to the area where you can manage the images, videos, and other media files that are uploaded to your store. This tool is incredibly useful for organizing and accessing all your media files in one centralized location, making it easy to maintain a visually appealing store without any hassle. Now, going further along the menu, click on Menus. Menus are critical for defining how your customers navigate through your store. You can edit the navigation menus to help guide your clients to the desired pages swiftly, providing them with a seamless shopping experience. This is particularly significant for improving user satisfaction and potentially increasing sales. The next step is to select blog posts. Blogs are an excellent way to engage with customers by sharing updates, news, and valuable information about your products or industry. Clicking on this option allows you to create, manage, and publish new posts. Incorporating relevant and timely blog content can significantly impact your store's visibility and customer engagement. Lastly, let's explore the Meta Objects section. Selecting Meta Objects brings you to a powerful set of tools that allows for advanced data structuring and content management. This feature can be instrumental in maintaining dynamic information, which can change and adapt according to different conditions or inputs, tailoring your store experience to meet specific customer needs. And there you have it. Navigating through these sections in Shopify makes it easy to manage every part of your store's content, helping you maintain an organized, efficient, and engaging online store. By mastering these features, you'll gain better control over your e-commerce environment, paving the way for success. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.